Good morning to all of you. I again appeared before all of you to take a new topic in political science, power sharing. Before discussing of topic, I want to give a message that is based on moralities. Honesty is the best policy. ईमानदारी ही सर्वोत्तम नीति है. So be honest for the sake of countries, for the sake of societies, for the sake of your duty and right. If you do any work with honesty, you will success in your life. So there should be need honesty for the success of any space, all aspects of the life of people. I come on the topic. Today I will discuss about the form of power sharing. As you know that power sharing is need in democratic form of the government. Power is not vexed in the hand of one person, that the person will try to become dictator. So power sharing is need in democratic form of the government. Without power sharing, you cannot imagine democracy. As you know that people is source of political power. How is people source of political power? Because people take participation in the election of all type of government, representative parliament, legislative assemblies and local self-government. So power shared begins from here, from the people, till to form the government. There are different type of power sharing. First one is that power is shared among the different organ of the government. As you know, there are three different organ of the government that was implemented by the Montesquieu in France at first. So three organ of the government is as like as legislative, executive or judiciary. Power can be shared among three organ of the government. Legislative, where the laws are made, and after discussing among the representative of parliament, laws are executed by the executive, as well as laws are also checked by the institution is called judiciary. So there are three forms of the government: legislative, executive or judiciaries. Another form of power sharing is power can be shared among the level of the government. As you know that there are three levels of the government that is implemented in our countries. First, central government. The central government makes the laws for whole of the countries, executed for the whole of the countries. Second level of the government is called state government. As you know, federalism has been described in the constitution. So state government also works in the different states in our countries. So legislative assemblies, the laws are made in the legislative assemblies and the laws are implemented for whole of the states. Third level of the government is called local self-government. That is called Panchayati Raj system. According to Panchayati Raj system, the local self-government has been implemented in our countries for solving all the problems of the people who live in local areas. The people that they have not approached to the Chief Minister, Prime Minister, President. So, the local self-government is in need to solve all the problem that is felt by the local people. According to your book, power shared among the different social group, power may be also shared among the different social groups such as the religion, linguistic and community government. See in the example of Belgium, that is example of arrangement in countries as well as constitutional legal arrangement. Legal arrangement where the social weaker section in the society are women represented in the legislatures, administrations. So, the better representation of the women, some of the seats are reserved in parliament as well as legislative assemblies, local self-government also. So, power can be shared among the different social group also on the basis of religions and community government. Fourth formation of power sharing is that power is shared among the political parties, pressure groups and also movement group. As you know that there are multi political parties in our countries, one party, two party and multi parties. So there are different political parties that they work in our countries and they have some power from the local level to the top central leaders. In democracy, the citizen must be a freedom to choose among the various contenders for the powers in democratic form of the government, as well as there are some pressure groups who fall pressure over the government for doing the legal work, as we find the interest group such as those traders, businessmen that they form the groups, industrialists, farmers, industries, workers. They start the movement before the government peacefully for doing the work, for implement such type of rule that they reach benefit of those laborers. So such type of organization that they work in our countries as well as bringing influence the decision making process and political parties, pressure groups and social movement also. So your form of power sharing is finished. So next time I will start next chapters. Thank you.